causes the sound when we crack our knuckles. The sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is associated with the sudden formation and collapse of gas bubbles in the synovial fluid, a viscous fluid that lubricates and nourishes the joints. When you crack your knuckles, a stretching or manipulation briefly widens the space between the joint bones, reducing the pressure in the synovial fluid. This decrease in pressure permits gases, like carbon dioxide and nitrogen naturally dissolved in the fluid, to form small bubbles. The rapid formation and collapse of gas bubbles during the manipulation of the joint produce both the characteristic popping sound and the subsequent noise upon the joint's return to its original position. Follow for more science.